Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Zenith Minds Academy. Students, today we are going to learn a super important English grammar topic which is indefinite pronoun. And honestly, don't stress. This topic is much easier than it sounds. We will understand it with simple definitions, easy examples, important rules, and a quick recap. So let's get started. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. A short recap of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Then our question is, what is indefinite pronoun? This one. Indefinite pronoun is a type of pronoun. Okay. Then an indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a person, thing, or amount in a general or non-specific way. In simple words, when we don't talk about a specific person or thing, we can use an indefinite pronoun. For example, someone is calling you. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन बनता है कि हु इज कॉलिंग यू. यहाँ पे मेंशन तो नहीं ना किया गया. So we don't know. Okay, it could be anyone. ये कोई भी हो सकता है. ठीक है.